All right, we have more news coming in. Rahul Gandhi has backed Trump's Indian economy dead rant. Gandhi says Indian economy is indeed dead. Gandhi says Modi killed the Indian economy, citing Modi-Adani ties and failed demonetization. Gandhi has said no jobs for future, no future rather for the youth. I'm going to go straight across to Mosmi Singh, getting in more details. It's a scathing remark, Mosmi, there from the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, says indeed the economy has failed.
So clearly, Sneha, he's Rahul Gandhi is trying to keep the focus on what Donald Trump has said, and focusing on the economy of India, saying that he had predicted this, that Donald Trump will be slapping tariff on India, and he is hoodwinking, in fact, the people of India. And Prime Minister Modi's policy has failed, and thereby, outlining that fact that the Howdy Modi equation has completely collapsed here, where Trump has come to mock India over the entire tariff war that's happening between India and US.
Even as pressure is building really on the government, we are expecting, in fact, this matter to be discussed in Parliament as well today, isn't it, Mosmi? Like you said, the leader of the opposition there in Lok Sabha is continuing to exercise heat on the government after those statements from Donald Trump yesterday on tariffs and the penalty.
Clearly, there have been multiple adjournment notices in the House on this issue today as well, in the lower and the upper house. While the lower house was talking about, the SIR demanding a discussion, the upper house, there were several notices given, and the opposition believes that this is a very weak footing that Modi government is on this issue, and would like to get the government on the mat on this one, and that's why perhaps in this coming week, this issue is going to resonate in the House.
All right, this matter will be resonating in the House with Minister Piyush Goyal, who will be, in fact, talking about the government's position as far as Donald Trump and the imposition of tariffs there is concerned. Listening to what Rahul Gandhi said.
Knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact. आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है? पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज डेड इकोनॉमी और बीजेपी ने इकोनॉमी को खत्म कर दिया है। क्यों खत्म किया है? अदानी जी की मदद करने के लिए खत्म किया है।